ocean, exploring the land. E is for double-decker bus, tall and wide. Hop on top for a thrilling ride. G is for electric bus, quiet and clean, zooming around, keeping the air green. F is for ferry, floating with grace, carrying people from place to place. T is for gondola, lift up so high, gliding through mountains, touching the sky. H is for helicopter, whirring away, hovering above, saving the day. I for intercity train, smooth and bright, taking you places day and night. J is for jetliner, zooming with speed, flying travelers where they need. K is for kayak, taxi, paddling through, gliding on water just for you. L is for light rail, sleek and fast, zipping through cities built to last. M is for metro train, under the ground, through the tunnels, round and round.